Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical Christmas pillow covers, the perfect solution for indoor and outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from Christmas pillow covers, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Christmas pillow covers from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Fourth Emotion Red Christmas Pillow Covers 18 into 18x18. Elevate your holiday decor with the Fourth Emotion Red Christmas Pillow Covers. This stylish set includes 4 vibrant 18 into 18-inch pillow covers, designed to add a festive touch to your home. Made from 100% polyester linen, these covers are soft, skin-friendly, and durable, making them perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Each cover features a beautiful printed design on the front, while the back remains solid, ensuring a modern aesthetic. The hidden zipper closure makes it easy to insert pillows and achieve a polished look. Plus, these pillow covers are machine washable, so you can keep them looking fresh for every holiday gathering. Whether you're decorating your living room or looking for the perfect gift, these pillow covers are a charming choice. Transform your space with festive flair this Christmas. Number 2. PSDWETS Christmas Pillow Covers 18 into 18 Set. Transform your holiday decor with the PSDWETS Christmas Pillow Covers. This charming set includes 4 high-quality cotton linen pillow covers, each measuring approximately 18 into 18 inches. Featuring festive prints, these covers are perfect for adding a touch of holiday cheer to your home or sofa. The invisible zipper closure provides a seamless look, making it easy to insert your favorite pillows. Plus, they're machine washable in cold water for hassle-free cleaning, ensuring they stay fresh all season long. Whether you're sprucing up your living room or searching for a thoughtful gift for family and friends, these pillow covers are a delightful choice. Elevate your holiday ambience and make your space feel cozy and inviting with these adorable Christmas pillow covers from PSDWETS. Number 3. Lanpn Vintage Merry Christmas Throw Pillow Covers 18 into 18 Set. Elevate your holiday decor with the Lanpn Vintage Merry Christmas Throw Pillow Covers. This delightful set features 4 18 into 18-inch cushion covers crafted from soft and durable hemp cotton, perfect for adding a luxurious touch to your home. Each cover showcases vibrant, high-quality prints that capture the festive spirit, making them ideal for Christmas, Thanksgiving, and winter celebrations. With a hidden zipper closure, these pillow covers offer a seamless look and are easy to clean. Simply toss them in the washing machine for hassle-free care. Whether you're decorating your living room, bedroom, or even your car, these versatile covers add a charming and festive flair to any space. Please note that the design is printed only on the front, while the back remains plain, allowing for a sleek and stylish appearance. Transform your home this holiday season with these lovely pillow covers. Number 4. TDHDIKE Christmas Pillow Covers 18 into 18-inch Set. Transform your holiday decor with the TDHDIKE Christmas Pillow Covers. This festive set includes 4 18 into 18-inch throw covers, crafted from a quality blend of cotton and linen for a soft, eco-friendly touch. Designed in a charming red buffalo plaid style, these covers feature delightful Christmas elements like snowmen, reindeer, and Christmas trees, perfect for creating a warm, inviting atmosphere during the holidays. The hidden zipper design ensures easy insertion and removal, making them safe for machine washing. Please note that pillow inserts are not included. Versatile and durable, these classic pillow covers can be reused year after year, adding a seasonal touch to your home, bedroom, office, or even a coffee shop. They also make a thoughtful gift for family and friends this Christmas. Get ready to celebrate the season in style with these delightful pillow covers. Number 5. Artmag Christmas Pillow Covers 16 into 16 Set. Get ready to elevate your holiday decor with the Artmag Christmas Pillow Covers. This charming set includes 4 16 into 16-inch covers made from 100% grade and natural burlap, perfect for adding a touch of farmhouse style to your home. Each cover features a delightful plaid design with single-sided printing, ensuring a festive look that's perfect for the season. The super smooth invisible zipper allows for easy insertion and removal, making cleaning a breeze. Just toss them in the washing machine. These pillow covers are an excellent way to refresh your Christmas decorations quickly and effortlessly. Please note that inserts or fillers are not included. They make a thoughtful gift for family and friends, adding warmth and holiday cheer to any space. Transform your living area into a cozy winter wonderland with these beautiful and practical pillow covers. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.